Hello everyone, welcome to Gigi's Cookbook. Today we are going to make 1.5 kg white chocolate vanilla cake. So let's start. Here I have taken 8-inch round cake mold. Grease your cake mold with butter or ghee. Grease all sides well. Now in place of butter paper, I have taken 1 tablespoon maida. Dust all side well. Coat all side. Now we are going to prepare cake dry mix. I have taken 1 cup maida, half tablespoon baking powder, 2 pinch salt. Strain our dry mix at least 3 times. Mix our ingredients all well together. Here I have taken 4 eggs. Make sure eggs should be at room temperature, should not be straight from fridge. Here I am taking 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. Now start beating eggs until it becomes oily. I have taken 1 cup icing sugar. Add little by little. Here I am using 1 cup ghee. You can also use unsalted butter. Now adding dry cake mix batch by batch. Cake batter is ready. You can see the consistency. It should be fluffy and smooth. Now pour cake batter into cake pan. Now tap cake pan 2-3 times. This will help release extra air bubbles. Here I am using aluminum pot. Now add some salt and place any metal cutter or bowl and preheat for 5 to 10 minutes. Now place cake batter and cook for 30 minutes in medium flame. For preparing chocolate ganache, I have taken 100 gram white chocolate, added 2 tablespoons whipping cream. Double boiling method, we are melting chocolate ganache. Now you can see ganache is ready. Before beating whipping cream, make sure we refrigerate our bowl and blender blades for an hour. I am using another bowl with cold water and ice. Place ice ball below whipping cream bowl. I have taken 2 cups whipping cream. If you are using unsweetened whipping cream, add 2 tablespoons icing sugar. Beat whipping cream until it becomes stiff bake. It's absolutely depend on temperature you're working on. The key funda of perfect whipping cream is when you reverse the bowl, it should not fall down. After 30 minutes, check cake with a toothpick or a skewer. If your skewer come out nice and clean, your cake is baked. Remove cake from cake pan. Now you can see cake is very soft. Cut cake into 2 pieces. Now we are going to soak cake with sugar syrup. This will help to keep our cake moist. Now apply whipping cream. Try to form a smooth base. Pour 3 to 4 tablespoons white chocolate ganache. Now place second layer. Apply sugar syrup. Now cover with whipping cream. Try to create a smooth surface. After crumb coat cake, refrigerate cake for 30 minutes before any decoration. Pour ganache in the edge of cake. Create nice dropping effect. For cake decoration, I am using navy blue color. Just add 2 drops navy blue color to whipping cream and create a nice light blue color. I have filled whipping cream in piping bag. Now create a ribbon shape design. You can choose whatever you feel like. Almost ready. Now we are going to decorate with some candy, silver balls and edible colorful sprinkles. Sprinkle colorful balls in center. Now the blue ribbon shape I have created, I am decorating it with silver balls. Cake sides I am decorating with pink candy. Our white chocolate vanilla cake is ready. Enjoy! Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.